welcome back to Pressurelicious. My name is Presha Bharti. In this week's video, I'm gonna talk to you guys about 5 best web shows and 5 best movies that I absolutely love. Let's jump into the video. So like this year comes to an end, I just wanted to make this video. In this lockdown, all of us had been binging on shows, on movies, so I really wanted to mention my top 5 picks of movies and of web shows. They have really helped us get through this lockdown by entertaining us. 5 best web shows of the year 2020, English or other language are: one would be Money Heist. I think the original language of that is Spanish, and it's streaming on Netflix and it's an amazing show. I was like, ऐसे सोचते कैसे इतना concept के बारे में, कौन सोचता है कैसे, like it's just so difficult to even think about that kind of story. It was absolutely binge worthy. Like the concept, the story is so gripping. Like I just couldn't sleep until I finished it. Second is Schitt's Creek. I'm still binging it. It's such an amazing show. Like, I think after Friends, Schitt's Creek is the only show that has made me laugh my guts out. मतलब इतना ज़्यादा entertaining और इतना funny है. What makes a show? It's amazing writing and characters. So the writing has been really good, but the characters in the show. After Friends, Schitt's Creek has the best characteral work. Absolutely love it. Then next would be Emily in Paris. Of course, it has to be on the list. It just satisfies all the things that I look for in a web show when I'm watching. It has fashion, it has romance, it has, I don't know, love triangle or something that gives you drama. And then the story is also good and the acting is also good, and there are good pieces of characters here and there that really like peps up the show altogether. And scenery work. Boy, one has to get good scenery work in either movie or whatever basically that I'm watching. I absolutely love seeing like good sceneries and stuff. So Emily in Paris definitely makes it to this list. Then next is Why Women Kill. I don't think many people have heard of this show, and I don't know how I came across this show because it's not on Netflix, it's not on Amazon Prime, it's not on Hotstar, it's not anywhere. So I had to like literally hunt it down somewhere on the internet, and I finally watched it, and it's absolutely worth it. I think it has only 1 or 2 seasons so far. It's a comedy thriller. It's just amazing. Like it cracked me up, and at the same time it hooked me onto the screen because I did not know what's gonna happen next. So it was really fun. The last is Chernobyl. Chernobyl is a town based in Russia. It's based on a true story. It's thrilling. It's sad that it had happened, but the way these people have covered it with such authenticity, like the way they have made this show is crazy. Absolutely crazy. So if you haven't watched it, it's on Hotstar. It has only 5 episodes, I think, but it's absolutely worth the watch. So Chernobyl, Hotstar, watch it. 5 best web shows of the year 2020 Hindi. Paatal Lok. I mean, if you haven't watched Paatal Lok, it's on Amazon Prime. I don't know if anyone is there in India who hasn't watched Paatal Lok. I mean, of course, who have access to the internet and Amazon Prime. If you haven't watched it, you are absolutely missing a great show. It's so real. It's so real. You won't feel someone is putting up a character, someone is acting, or someone is saying a dialogue. It's just so amazing. And Jaideep Ahlawat is playing the role of Hathiram, the lead protagonist, and he is amazing. So good. And special mention, Abhishek Banerjee. He played Hathoda Tyagi, and he is scary. Like, he's so scary. I mean, go watch that show if you haven't yet because it's absolutely worth it. The next one is Scam 1992, which is streaming on Sony Live. Indian web shows have been making such amazing content, something that I wasn't expecting India would be able to do that soon and with such great content. Scam 1992 is one such show. Again, very, very real. The story, the cinematography, what makes it stand out is again the protagonist's work. Pratik Gandhi has done such an amazing job. I'm not saying he was the only person who was good in the show. Of course, the entire ensemble cast was amazing in the show, but this boy has played Harshad Mehta on screen and he looks Harshad Mehta. He is Harshad Mehta. For me, Harshad Mehta is this guy. Go watch Scam 1992. It's an amazing show streaming on Sony Live app. Next would be Panchayat. Like TVF has amazing content. So I don't think it would ever disappoint you. Go watch it. I think you can find it on TVF as well as Amazon Prime. It's just a very heartwarming show. Very desi. I mean, I don't know. I don't have any other words. Performances are obviously TVF work is like ऐसे चलते फिरते वाली जिंदगी में जैसे हम बात करते हैं तो उनका भी डायलॉग वैसा होता है, उनका स्टोरी वैसा होता है, सब कुछ उनका वैसा ही होता है जैसे आम जिंदगी में हम लोग बात करते हैं. Just go watch it. It's on Amazon Prime as well as TVF. Then on number 4 will be She, which is streaming on Netflix. SHE is the name of the show, and there's this female called Aditi Pohankar, and what a strong character it is. I feel really proud that such characters are being written for Indian women, and it's so creative, it's so beautifully expressed by her. It's just beautifully played and such powerful performance. Not even kidding, such powerful performance. She is on number 4 and it's an amazing show. On 4 I have also mentioned Indian Matchmaking, but it's more of a docu-series. You can watch it. It was very entertaining. It was cringy, but it was entertaining. It has a special mention on number 4. The last mention would be Arya. Arya is very gripping show. I have seen Sushmita Sen after a very long time. Like all of us have seen Sushmita Sen after a very long time on screen, and I need to mention it here. I love her as a human being, but I don't think I've ever enjoyed her acting on screen, be it any movie, be it her movies with Govinda or her movies in 90s or early 2000s. I haven't really enjoyed her work at all as an actor. Absolutely not. But in this show, I think this show marks her debut as an actor. Before, she was more like a model. I wouldn't call her an actor. I love her as a human being. Now, I also love her as an actor because she's really redefined herself, and I love it. I love the show. It's streaming on Hotstar. If you guys haven't watched it, watch it. I also wanted to give a special mention to Bandish Bandits. It's a decent show. I didn't really like it that much as it was praised, but the production of the entire show has been so grand, and it's absolutely worth mentioning. It has a mixture of Western music and classical music. Amazing production. The acting work is okayish. I didn't really like it that much, but I'm sure there are other people who have absolutely loved this show. It has like 8 IMDb rating, I think. I don't know, but if you guys want to watch it, you guys can go ahead and watch it. Coming to the 5 best movies of 2020, the first one has to be 365 Days because, well, your Jiju is acting in that movie. He's my husband. I love him. It's such an amazing movie. I think you can call it soft porn. I mean, it's an adult movie. It's streaming on Netflix. But boy, that man is so hot. Like, I don't know where they make such men, but wherever they do, I need to get their number. It's a good movie. I really enjoyed it, of course, because of the guy. I think this movie broke all the Netflix records. This movie trended for 6 or I think 7 long months in India on Netflix. It was trending for 7 months, and I think this was the only movie of not of Hindi, not of English, but of some other language which trended in India for that long of a period. So I think, yeah, watch it. Watch it for your Jiju. The next on the list is Bulbul. It's a horror suspense. Amazing work done by Tripti Damri. Tripti has done an amazing work in Bulbul. I absolutely loved her, and the story is beautiful. And special mentions to Rahul Bose. He's done a double role in the movie and he's done an amazing job. Amazing job. I've never really been a fan of his acting, but in this very movie, he has done a fantabulous job. So go watch it for Rahul, watch it for Tripti, and watch it for the story. You won't be disappointed. The third movie is Thappad. It has Taapsee Pannu in the lead, and she's done an amazing job. All in all, absolutely love the story, absolutely love the direction, absolutely love the work of all the actors, the ensemble cast. Go watch it. It's streaming on Amazon Prime. Hey, me on number 4 is Choked, where your favorite girl played a little part in the movie and it was exciting. So go watch Choked. It's directed by Anurag Kashyap. It's streaming on Netflix. Absolutely loved the story. Like, I'm not saying it because I was in it. I mean, of course, I have a soft corner for it. But nevertheless, watch it. It's a beautiful movie. I find it politically relevant. I don't know about you guys. I really enjoyed it. So go watch Choked, streaming on Netflix. Your favorite girl is in the movie. Watch it, enjoy it. Last movie. Even though it should be the first movie, but I kept it for the last. AK versus AK. If you haven't watched that movie, go. It's streaming on Netflix. Go watch it. I'm not even kidding. It's absolutely no new genre. I don't know how to put this movie in a particular genre or mix it on genres and keep it. It introduces a new kind of cinema to us as audiences, and it's so gripping. Amazingly written. I don't know who came up with this concept. I tracked this person on Instagram, messaged him, hey, you did an amazing job. I don't remember his name anymore, but he has amazing ideology behind writing the script. Absolutely love it. Jitna मैं बोलूँ उतना कम है. ये movie is just fantabulous. I loved it. Like, क्रिसमस पे लोग क्रिसमस ट्री सजा रहे थे. मैं वेट कर रही थी कभी मूवी रिलीज होगी और मैं देखूंगी. And it was worth the wait. It was absolutely worth the wait. It was so good. If you haven't watched AK versus AK, go watch it. It's real and real. I said it right. Real and real. Yeah. Real and real. I think that should be the genre. Real and real. I am a fan of Anil Kapoor. I am a fan of Anurag Kashyap. I was always a fan of Anurag Kashyap, but after this movie, I am a much bigger fan. Boy, I mean, I'm not gonna stop talking about this movie. You guys should just stop everything what you're doing. I mean, of course, finish this video and then go watch this movie. After you watch this video, go watch AK vs AK on Netflix. Special mention Lakshmi Kaum, because Akshay Kumar has given the best performance of his career so far. He has actually given the best performance. The story was shit. Hated it so much. The entire story, the entire screenplay. Very bad, very bad. His performance really helped me get through the movie. As an actor, I really want to be able to pull off such a character one day. You need some next level skill to pull off that sort of character on screen with such epitome and grace. Okay, so with this, I'm gonna end this video. I hope you guys liked my top favorite picks of web shows, of movies that I absolutely loved in this year. And they really entertained me. It was worth binge watching all these shows, wasting a lot of time on the internet. But ठीक है, इस साल में कुछ like करना था तो यही कर लिया मैंने. But let's just hope next year turns out to be more productive and gives me more opportunity to entertain you guys. Till then, I want you guys to please stay safe. If you guys haven't subscribed to my channel yet, it's a red color button. Press the red color button. There's a bell right next to it. If you guys press the bell, you guys will get the notification when I post a new video, and then like the video if you guys haven't liked it. It's for the YouTube algorithm. They will know that you guys like my content, and then your girl is gonna be a big YouTuber one day. But till then, I am gonna just entertain you guys. Even then I'll entertain you guys, but then right now, I mean, I don't know. I'm just gonna entertain you guys despite the like or dislike or YouTube algorithm noticing me or not noticing me. I'm just gonna keep entertaining you guys. And now I need some water. My throat is dry and unfortunately I forgot my water bottle. So I'm gonna go. Bye, love you. Bye.
If I could make you see my wounded heart, you might realize what's the hardest part.